If you haven't watched it, in the last episode, we spent almost the entire video painting, and more painting. And it's honestly surprising the big difference that painting can do, even when you're painting it the same color as it used to be before. We painted the basement white, even though it was already white, and it just made it look extremely bright and so much more clean. We also finally added curtains to our living room. And even though I know a lot of people out there are waiting for us to fix our green kitchen, the basement project is going to continue today. Yesterday I spackled this crack on the wall, and today it is time to paint it because it's looking pretty gross, and the top wall looks really nice and fresh since I painted it last weekend. Literally the best part of using painter's tape is being able to peel it off, which kind of looks like it didn't really do the best job, but this is not the satisfying paint peel I was hoping for. Something that I never realized before we started this home project is that every little thing you do requires so much prep work. Throughout this process, I've had to fill so many holes and sand so many walls just to get a coat of paint on them. And I came into this project without any prior home reno experience, so for me, it's definitely been a pretty serious learning curve, and so far, I've been learning a lot. And one thing that I definitely have learned is that I really do enjoy painting over a lot of other things. There's something about the instant gratification of seeing a visual change immediately that really makes you feel like you're actually making progress. So since I had to wait for a little bit for the first coat of paint to dry before I do the second coat, I wanted to show you guys this package that I got from Be Kind really quick. They so graciously gifted me these items, and I can't wait to show you because they're so cute. Okay, so we'll start off small and then we'll go big. They send these in their orders. It's an envelope with a little thank you card, but there's also a couple of really adorable stickers inside. So, I mean, who doesn't love stickers? Look at that one. So freaking cute. Honestly, I love it when companies give out little free stickers that you weren't expecting because it's like a little gift that like you didn't know you were getting, which is very fun. Okay, now on to these little babies. Their packaging is freaking adorable. They have these little sunflowers. It's especially for you. So Be Kind is a jewelry company that is in support of saving the bees. So every purchase that you make with them goes towards helping save the bees. I got this really cute honeycomb style gold ring. I love wearing rings. I wear rings literally every day of my life. I don't even take them off to shower, so this is probably gonna go on this finger. And then, because I thought this was so freaking adorable, it's a little sunflower choker. I'm probably gonna wear this a lot in the spring and summertime. I like how it's really dainty, but it's really, really cute. And I will leave everything that you need to know about Be Kind down in the description box below. If you do want to check them out, their Instagram and Facebook is save.bees.shop. Like I said, I'll leave all their links in the description box below. Look how adorable their logo is. It's a freaking bumblebee. They also have a bumblebee like stuffy, which I'm not gonna lie to you, is very, very cute. I've been waiting to take it out of the packaging because I wanted to get like a cute aesthetic shot of it in the packaging before I put it on. What I like about this ring too is that it's kind of like adjustable, so you can adjust it to the size that you want it, so you can put it on any finger that you please. So that's what she looks like. She's cute as heck. My chubby finger doesn't do it justice, but it's very cute. If you guys want to save on your next order with them, make sure to use this code here on the screen. I will also put it in the description box below. I love companies that are built around supporting like wildlife and other causes because we do need the bees to survive. So if you're gonna buy some jewelry, you may as well buy some that is going to help a cause like that. You should definitely check them out. I think they are amazing and I love them, and thank you guys so much for sending these to me. And now that I look all cute as heck, I'm going to go paint the second coat. So since I got the other side of the wall looking really nice and fresh, it's time to do this side and corner. I went ahead and spackled it already, so I'm just gonna go ahead and sand it down, and then we're gonna start painting. Finished painting this wall yesterday, and now I think today the flooring is going in. I think once we do the flooring, things are gonna really shape up down here.
We need a knife. Okay, let's just start. Figured out all I need to figure out.
Tyler's just getting all his prep work done.
Nah.
Tyler bought this flooring from someone on Facebook Marketplace, and I was really excited to actually help him install it in the basement since I wasn't actually involved with putting the flooring in upstairs in our living room. So this was a process that I had never done before, and I was pretty excited to learn how to do it. And the flooring is such a beautiful color, and I feel like putting flooring in is really what takes your basement from an unfinished basement to a finished basement. So we were really excited to see what everything was going to look like once the flooring was in. But unfortunately, doing the flooring wasn't without its own frustrations. So in order to finish this last section, we did have to...
Yeah, what did we have to do?
Remove the door. And unfortunately, we discovered that this wall isn't straight. So now we have like...
Not even close.
10 shims down here to try and like fix it. Like we could have kept it going along this wall. But then when you come down the stairs, like the wood was like going like this, so you could really tell. Like it's better now because Tyler like moved this whole thing, but like, yeah, it was pretty ugly there.
Yeah, now we've got quite a gap, and really only one wall is straight as far as I'm concerned.
If any.
If any, which is no surprise around here. Same problem with the living room floor. Mm-hmm. Yeah.
Yep. So I mean, we had to paint that door anyway. So
whatever. What do we expect?
So we fixed up our hole by just cutting some small angled pieces, so it looks a lot better now. Thank goodness. Unfortunately, the wall did not make it out unscathed, and I will have to.
Is there something underneath of this?
Repaint.
Like, is that really up that much? I don't know if I believe that.
I don't think there's anything underneath of it, just the foam stuff. It's also do that later.
Push it in the corner. See how it looks. Cover up your thing.
Cover up my ugly wall. Or do we want it all the way that far in the corner? Or do we want to put like a little table there or something?
Well, I want to put something.
It's like, who's gonna want to sit here? Like, yuck.
We should flip it around and try and put it, see what that's like. But just push it up against that so it doesn't fall down that rough in there. Yep, straight back.
I mean, I like it there because that way it doesn't look so weird with no arm. But like, if I sit here, am I gonna hit my head?
No. Close.
Very close. We should get those little foam things for the bottom.
Yeah. Not a big deal. I think it has them on it. Doesn't it have little feet?
Oh, maybe.
See, you can sleep there.
I couldn't stretch out.
No.
I guess your head would be up here. That's not too shabby. I could take a nap with it. Dang it, I can't get it on. I know that I can do this. Testing 1, 2. That's not